Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Ford Transit Custom long wheelbase in silver. This comes with 17,000 miles on the clock, cruise control, hands-free cooling and voice assist, Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, and I will just show you inside. We do of course have 3 cloth-lined seats at the front, pop down the middle one just here, table, 2 cup holders as well. This is a manual 6-speed gearbox. Cruise control and hands-free cooling, like I mentioned earlier, can be controlled on the steering wheel, along with all the connectivity, radio and navigation on the screen. Air conditioning and heated seats are controlled below. And if I just open up the back as well, so it is a ply-lined interior with interior lighting, cargo rings tied on any load you maybe wanted to carry, and a undented bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this custom only used it for light loads as well. If you have any more questions, visit our website or get in contact with us at anchorvans.co.uk.